So here we have a problem of detecting the cycle in a graph. So the detection of cycle in a graph is done through the algorithm called union find algorithm, and this algorithm will achieved by using this data structure called disjoint set data structure. So before we start this algorithm, let's see some example so that we can easily understand the algorithm. So this is our graph. In this graph we have 5 nodes and there is a cycle present. So how we can apply this algorithm to evaluate the cycle in it? So in this algorithm what we do, we always take each of the node and make a set node A. So node A forms one set. Node B will have another set. Similarly for node C, node D and node E. Now what? We will find what is the parent of each of this set. So the set which this is, we'll find the parent of this. So initially the parent of each of these node will be itself. So the parent will be, let me write, the parent of this will be A itself, B itself, C itself, D itself, E itself, right? Next what we will do, we will scan this graph and we will take each of the edges one by one. So we have picked up this edge, okay, and then we will check whether the parent of this and the parent of this, if the parent of these two are different, then we will merge them, we will union them. So what is the parent of A? Parent of A is A, set A. Parent of B is set B. These two are not equal, so we will merge them. So after merging, the new set will be AB. So whenever we say find method of any node, let's say A. Find A means what is the parent of this node A. So parent means you will return the set. So what is the parent of A? Is this set. What is the parent of B? Parent of B is of course A, but A is in this set. So when we say what is the find of B, now after merging, find B would result this set. So now we have this set, we have C, we have D, we have E. Now let's encounter another edge. Let's say we found this one BC. So we'll first find what is the find of B. What is the find of B? As I said, the set which B belongs to. The set which B belongs to is this one. So find B is this one. When I say find, so since we encountered this BC edge, first we check for B, then we check for C. Find of C is this set. Since the parent of this node C belongs to this set, which is C, because the initially parent were the same. So now find B and find C are not same. These two are not same. So these two will be union. So after union, what it will become? A, B and C in one set. another set will be D, another set will be E. Again we encounter with this H. So C and D. Similarly, C set will be this, D set will be this. These two are not equal, so these two will be merged. So this will be D. Now we have these two set. So now we encounter this H, A, E. So A set is this one and E set is this one. So these two are not equal, so we will merge. So A, B, C, D and E. This is the set. Now let us suppose we encounter this H. After this one is the last. So encounter this one. So B and D. Since B parent B find will return this one set and D will return the same. So now if these two find of B is equal to now find of D. So in that case what we will do, if these two are same, we will not union because it is already union. So the point where we encountered with the finds of these two nodes are equal, then it is the cycle. So this edge includes the cycles. So we also find which edge is contributing to the cycle in the graph. So some of you may confuse, so why to pick up this one? So okay, picked up this one first. So similarly find of D is this, find of D will be this. So these two are equal, so there is a cycle. Now we will write the algorithm. So what will be the algorithm for this? For each of the edges that belongs to graph, for each of the edges that belongs to graph, what we are doing? We are first what we are doing, we are making set of each. So for each node V belongs to G, for each node that belongs to graph, we are make set. So make set for each of the V's. So we are making set for each of these node. Thereafter for each of this edge, we will check if find of E dot U means, suppose this is my edge E, this is E, U, this is V, node U and node V. So this is for undirected, you may also do for directed. So if find E of U equals to find E of V, then cycle detected, else union them. So this will be order V. This is order V. This is what? For each of the edge, the parent of it. So V plus E, which is nothing but O of E. But this can be improved. O of E can be improved. This can be improved to O of log E by using the method of compression or by ranking, union by ranking or by path compression. So we will see in the next video how we can improve the efficiency of this algorithm. So one must ask, what is the method find? So what is the method find? So find of X, find of any node, X would be what? If X dot parent, if parent of this X is the same as the X set, if the parent of this X is same as this X set, then return this set X. else. Recursively find the parent. Recursively find x dot parent, right? And what will be the union? Union will be what? For union of x and y, we have two sets, x and y. So we will find the root of x. Root of x means parent of x, which will be find of x, and root of y, which will be find of, what we will do, root of x dot parent will be root of y. So basically what we are doing, we are assigning a parent of this set to this new node. So if I ask what is the parent of this new node, will be the parent of this x. Suppose in this case, if we encountered b and c, the parent of b will be what? A and b, and the parent of c will be c only. So if I ask what is your parent b, so it will say my parent is a. My parent is a. Basically parent is a, but when we return this find method, it returns a and b both. So parent of b will be this set. So whatever the parent of this will be now equal to parent of this. This we can implement through hash table. Okay. So the utility of this detection algorithm is useful while checking Kruskal algorithm for minimum spanning tree. Okay, thank you.